Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, we'll be sculpting pies out of polymer clay using bottle caps as the crust. Before we start the sculpting process, let's go ahead and clean the bottle caps from plastics and just dabbing some rubbing alcohol onto a paper towel and then wiping it around the inside and outside of the cap. And this is optional, but if you want it to resemble a painting more closely, you may paint it silver. And after that done, we're going to create the pie crust using cream clay. And now I'm using my pastel machine to cut out 3 circles, one for each pie base. I'm going to be using a circle cutter that is close in size to the bottle cap. And then I'm applying some liquid clay inside of the caps. That way the clay has something to stick to more. And for the sides of the crust, I'm applying just a bit more liquid clay. And then I'm rolling out a long strip of cream clay that is about 5 mm in thickness. And for the cherry and the blueberry pie filling, I'm going to roll tiny balls of red and dark blue clay that are 2 mm in size. Make enough to fill whole pie, so about 20 to 30 little balls. For the lattice top of the fruits pie, we need to roll thin strips of beige clay. And we're going to be using our blade to cut out even strips. Each strip is going to be about 2 to 3 mm in thickness. Now we're going to lay them over the pies in a crisscross lattice pattern. We'll be using our dotting tool, press the parts of the lattice that do not overlap. This is just another part of making it looks a little bit more realistic. Now we are going to texture the top gently with a brush for some realism. And I'm going to be doing this on every single pie. We still need to add the outer crust edges. And for this step, I'll be rolling out on thin strips of beige clay and adding it around the rim of every single bottle cap pie. And to give it more details, I'm pressing the edge using my needle and dotting tool on top of the parts of the tin that have the lines. Then I'm indenting spaced out lines with my scribe tool and then pressing circle onto the top part of the crust between the lines that we create. And I'm slightly changing up the design for each crust on the pie. But you can do whatever you prefer. To make these pies look more realistic, let's go ahead and shade them with some brown, yellow, and orange soft pastels, just to give them a nice baked look. I'm starting with yellow and then working my way toward brown. I'm also adding a cute little design to my cherry pie crust. This is totally optional, you don't have to do it what I do, but it's up to you. And to finish off the pumpkin pie, adding a little dollop of whipped cream using a mold that I made by myself. If you want a tutorial of making molds, let me know in the comments. And once your shades, then we can go ahead and pop them in the oven at 275 Fahrenheit for about 50 to 30 minutes. Depending on the thickness, I'm going to be doing this for 30 minutes in the oven. And there you have it! These are 3 super cute pies we made out of polymer clay and bottle caps. I really hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to check out the other fun tutorial in this playlist. Until next time, bye!